Okay. So we'll start this one. Sum of n terms of a special series. So we have three main formulas. That is, first one is sum of first n natural numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till n number if I consider. What will be the sum? Second formula is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Something 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on till n square. If I consider the square like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 till n square term if I add the terms. So we have a formula for that. Not only that, we have one more formula, that is sum of the cube of first n natural numbers. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. If I add all these cube numbers till n cube, so we have the formulas. First note down these formulas. What are the formulas? Then we'll continue our. I think first sum of n natural numbers we already discussed in class 10th. Anyone remember what is the sum of first n natural numbers? And we proved also that formula. So what was that formula? N into n plus 1 by. So let me insert the equation. First formula which we have is sum of n natural numbers. So natural numbers obviously starts from 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till n. So the formula of sum of first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 upon 2. So this is the first formula of sum of first n natural numbers. Next formula is sum of. So proof of these formulas we'll study next year. I think this year only we had that mathematical induction, right? Yeah, mathematical induction chapter we removed from the syllabus, so that's why we have studied. Otherwise, we can prove this by using the mathematical induction. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, then plus and so on. And square if I consider sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is given by formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Now if I go for the sum of cube of first n natural numbers, so instead of squares here I have to put roots. Next one we call cube. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till nth cube. So the formula for this equation is given by n square into n plus 1 whole square. So it will come as n plus 1 whole square upon 4. So this is the formula of sum of cube of first n natural numbers. So you have to remember all these three formulas whenever it is required. We are going to. I don't know why these people are joining. Before 10 minutes I am sending the link. Still people are late. Should I send one day before? Please be on time. Okay. So derivation of these formulas. Sorry. Once we discuss mathematical induction at the end of the year, then we'll see how do we derive these formulas. Now let me consider the examples. For example, here they given find the sum of n terms of the series 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41 and so on. So let me take this example. Okay, first one is 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41, I think they are given, and so on. We have to consider the sum of these numbers till nth term. Okay. Anyone is giving any comments? No. Okay. So what we can do here it is, first we can rewrite this. In the textbook they are given in a different way, but I will solve this in a different way. So 5 you can write as 4 plus 1. 11 you can write as 9 plus 2. Then 19 you can write as 16 plus 3. Yes. Then 29 you can write as 25 plus 4. Yes. Then 41 you can write as 36 plus 5. So this process will continue. Right? So these are nothing but, if I rewrite these terms again, what we get is, first will come as 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 plus and so on. These are all the perfect square numbers, plus next bracket will come 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus and so on. Okay. So can you tell me, these are nothing but the square terms? 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So what I do here is, because I want 1 square also, so I'll keep here, that 1 I'll keep in the front here. So I get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. I have to consider till n terms, so it will come n square. Okay. Here 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and so on till nth term. But it is starting from 2. What I do here is, I'll add 1 and I'll subtract 1. Is that okay? So that I'll get sum of first n natural numbers here. If I don't add 1, then I might AP starting from 2, 3, 4, 5 till nth term. So totally you will have n minus 1 terms only. So that's why I'm adding plus 1 here and I am subtracting minus 1. So adding and subtracting the same number won't make any difference in the equation. Now what happens here it is, this is nothing but sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square till n square. So sum of the squares of first n natural numbers formula is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus, this is nothing but sum of the first n natural numbers. That formula also is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n plus 1 by 2 and minus will come. Okay. So you will get this as, insert equation. If you can take the LCM here, so LCM is going to be 6. So here you will get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus, you will get 3 times of n into n plus 1 minus 6. Okay, this is what I'll get the LCM. Then which is equals to, we can simplify this one, multiply the brackets and cancel the common terms if any, then you make it a proper answer. So if you want, let me solve it this question. Next question how we will give you as a homework. And if I open the bracket, first term n into n plus 1, it will come as n square plus n. That will be multiplied with 2n plus 1. Can I do it directly, or let me write one step? This will come as n square n square plus n will come, multiply 2n plus 1 plus, now 3n multiply with n plus 1. So it will come as 3n square, 3n square plus 3n, then I'll get minus 6. So one more step if I multiply, no, so we need to subtract minus 2 as we added 1 twice. I 1 twice. I replace 1 in different position. See here I have 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 means that 1 where it has gone. 1 I kept it here. Okay? I rearrange the position of 1, not twice. I added extra 1 here only so that I subtracted here. Say student, now onwards I deny the admission if you are coming late after 9:05. Maximum I can allow till 9:05. After that I have to deny your permission not to join the class. Creating so much disturbance of the class, those who are coming on time. Okay, now this n square plus n will multiply with 2n plus 1. So let's see what do we get. I get n square into 2n is 2n cube plus n square into 1 is n square, then n into 2n is 2n square, so it will come as 2n square, 2n square plus n into 1 is n, plus these terms will remain as it is, 3n square plus 3n minus 6. Now at the end, you can add the like terms and you can keep unlike terms as it is. This 2n cube will remain as it is. So it will come as 2n cube. Now n square terms I have n square plus 2n square is 3n square plus 3n square. So it will be plus 6n square. N square, what are the n terms we have? N plus 3n is 4n minus 6 upon 6. If you want one more step simplification, you can take 2 common from the numerator, then n cube plus 3n square plus 2n minus 3 upon 3. Okay, so that will be your final answer. Is that clear for everyone? So in the book they are solved in the different way. You can try it in that way also, no problem. Where is that one? Yeah. So they are tried it in a different way. You can try that way also, no problem. Now when I come to exercise 9.4, Shraddha, what is the time now at your home? Is it 9 o'clock? Please be on time. At my home it is 9:15. Okay. Next 9.4 exercise. Find the sum of n terms of each of the series in the exercises 1 to 7. From question number 1 to 7. See here they are given the numbers. You have to get the nth term of this number. Like 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus and so on. If I extend this term, can anyone tell me what will be the my nth term? 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, then 5 into 6, then 6 into 7. If I go till nth term, what will be my nth term? Any idea? You see the pattern how it is following. N minus 1 into n. Or why n minus 1? Then if I take n value as, sorry, what is this one? If I take n minus 1 into n, if I take n value is because I have to start from natural numbers. If I take n value is 1, it is going to be 0. So we don't have 0 here. You may say we can put 0 plus. Instead of n into n minus 1, can I take anything else? Yes, Sohan says 3. Your answer is correct. N into n plus 1. Let me take n into n plus 1 because starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. First pair, in every pair, if I take the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will go on. In the second number 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is n into n plus 1. First question of the exercise. Whenever I have the sum, as I said, I use the summation symbol generally. So here, where is the summation symbol? Here it is. If I take summation, what do you put? I equals to 1 to n. I equals to 1 to n. Here I'll get it as n into n plus 1. Okay. So this is the general form of writing using the summation symbol. If I take n equals I equals to 1, so 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1 into 2. Because of summation, I have to put plus sign. Then I'll take I equals to 2. Then I'll get 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 till I reach n into n plus 1. Okay. Is equals to, so if I simplify further, so sorry, what you get here, it is summation. If I open the bracket, sorry, summation won't work like this, just a minute. Summation, it will come I equals to 1 to n. If I open the bracket, I'll get n into n is n square. So what I do here is I get n square, n square plus again summation I equals to 1 to n, then n into 1 is n. So this is nothing but sum of the squares of first n natural numbers plus sum of the squares of, sum of the first n natural numbers. Is this step clear for everyone? Starting from here to here. Are these steps clear? Yes, everyone? Okay. Especially how to use the summation. Most of them they have doubt. Which is equals to, now what is the formula for summation of? This is nothing but first term. If you have summation I equals to 1 to n square, this is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square. So my formula for sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. This was my formula. Plus next summation is nothing but sum of the first n natural numbers, and we have the formula for that. The formula is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So as we did in the previous question, take the LCM, open up the brackets, add the like terms, and get your final answer. Okay, is that clear? So most of the questions will be in this form only. Now look at the second question. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus, then I think it will come 4 into 5 into 6. So can you give me what is the nth term of this sequence? Oh, sorry, series. term of the series. In 3, 3, 3, 5, like Swami has given the answer. What about you? Then 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is n value. It is coming 2. Second number is coming 2. Now, can you hear me? Yes. See the screen. here I have taken as summation of n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Then n into n plus 1 I multiplied as n square plus n. Then I multiplied these two numbers. So I got it as summation of n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. 3 into next formula, sum of squares of n natural numbers. Substitute these formulas and simplify. Can you do that simplification? Yes, students? Network issues are my voice is coming? I think it's breaking if I'm not wrong. Yes, students? This is not going. Sometimes. Can you hear me? Okay, great. Now, what is the next one? Third question, can you tell me what is my nth term? 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square plus and so on. Can you tell me what is the nth term of the third question? See the first numbers, they are coming as 3, 5. Where is this? Yeah. 3, 5, 7 and so on. Then the second numbers, second set of numbers are coming 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, I can take it as n square. How do you take this 3, 5, 7? What are those numbers? The odd numbers is Sahil. Your answer is correct. 3, 5, 7, these are all the odd numbers. So every odd number can be written in the form of 2n plus 1. So hence we can write it as 2n plus 1 into n square. So that is 2n cube plus n square will come. So we have to substitute the formula of n cube and the formula of n square. Okay. So like this for every question. Now what about the fourth question? 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 and so on. So what does it form? Yes, 1 upon n into n plus 1. That's correct. 1 upon n into n plus 1. Yes, it is correct. So we can do that one. Next, if I come to the fifth question, 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square till 20 square. See here I have the formula is one sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus n plus 1 n See the fraction, we start with 5 square. 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 10, 20 square. So what you can do here is, you can add 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 the same square fine. This is what question. Stupid network again. Okay, I think some of them exit the class. Now can I, it's now connected to the school Wi-Fi. Let's see. So here we are adding this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, and we are subtracting the same terms. Now what happens is, in the first set, this is the sum of the squares of first 20 natural numbers. So in this formula where we have n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6, you can substitute n value as 20. So you'll get 20 into 21 into 41 upon 6. That will come. So let me write here. It will go as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Here n. So I have insert the equation n into, that is 20, multiply by n plus 1, that is 20 plus 1 is 21, multiply by 2n plus 1, so 41 upon 6, then minus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1, 30. So it will come as minus 30. So you simplify these numbers, multiply 20 into 41 into 20 into 21 into 41 and take the LCM, simplify. Whatever comes the answer, that will be our final answer. Okay. So next is 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 3 into 14. So can anyone give me this nth term? See, observe the first numbers. It is 3, 6, 9. Then it will come as 12. Then it will come as 15. So these are the multiples of 3. So you can write as 3n. What about 8, 11? Let me see if anybody has given. 3n into 3n minus 1. 3n plus 5. If I take 3n minus 1, who is this? Pranav Sharma. 3n minus 1. 3n into 3n minus 1. If I take n is 1, no, it won't work. 3n minus 1, Pranav. Yes, it is 3n into 3n plus 5. These two questions answers are right. So it's going to be 3n into 3n plus 5. Okay, because 8 you can write as 3 plus 5. 11 you can write as 6 plus 5. 14 you can write as 9 plus 5. So everywhere plus 5 is common. So 3n into 3n plus. Okay. Now here what will come? In this equation, 1 square, then 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, then plus my nth term is going to be 1 square plus 2 square square. Okay, so that is what you are going to find the solution. Even 8th, 9th, 10th also they already given the nth term directly, just you have to find nth term. Okay, so I think this exercise you can try it out. If you are not getting any questions, we'll discuss in the next class. And we have few miscellaneous questions which includes a next class. Okay. So this